Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of this right here. Usually I don't do an unboxing, but I opened this up, saw that it came in a few pieces. So I always like to include that whenever it's something in a few pieces. So it looks like we've got us fan blades up here. Going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those blades right there. And then inside here, looks like you got an extension. So if you have, a recessed lighting or something like that, this is going to be great for that. And then looks like we have the main piece right here. That's really cool. So it's got a light on there, as well as the places that our blades are going to go. What else do we have in here? Ooh, it comes with a remote. That's super cool. There you go. That way you don't just have to flip your light switch off and on. And then it looks like it has some mounting hardware in case you need to, I guess, reinforce this or something. But yeah, so that's everything we have. We got this little piece of two-sided tape. We have our blades. We have the remote right here, which let's see if it does come with batteries. It does. You just got to pull the little thing on there. So I'm going to go ahead and put this together and get it installed, and we'll see how it looks. All right, so these fan blades, super easy to install. You just kind of put them in here. Give them a little push, just like that. All right, and there we go. It is all put together. Let's see what they want us to do with this mounting hardware. I thought I could just screw it in and be good to go. All right, so the screws are for the remote right there. You can mount the remote on the wall. Had me a little confused for a bit. I was like, why would I need to screw this? All right, so let's go ahead and mount this. Oh, and you have the double-sided tape in case you want to use it. It goes right there also. Let's go ahead and mount this. It says that it's recommended to use the extension. That way you get a little bit more room between the ceiling and this as well. So we'll go ahead and do that. So we'll just screw this in on here. All right, so we've got it installed here and we've got our remote. So we can change the warmth of the light just like that. Boom. We can change the brightness of the light. Looks like it has 4 different brightness settings. Now I'm blind, I can't see my remote. You got the button right here, turn the light off and on. There we go. And then we can turn on the fan. Look at that. Dang, that thing's really moving. That puts off a decent amount of air. Wow, I'm impressed with that. And then we have one more button right here. And that turns everything off. This last button does on here. Okay, now can we control the fan speed? Let's see if we can do that. And can we have the fan going without the light? Yes, we can. So, fan speed. Oh, that was just the lowest setting. Now we got a faster one. Okay, so it's got 3 fan speeds as well. Really cool. And then it has an auto off feature in case something comes into contact, boom, right there, it stops. And then I think it said wait like 4 seconds, and then it automatically comes back on. So let's go ahead and kick that light back on. There we go. All right, so really cool, super easy to install. That took just a couple minutes to put it together and to throw it up there, and I am very impressed with it. So if you're needing something like this, go ahead and check this one out.